Hello there, my name's Dave Ballantyne and it's my pleasure to show you around the People Not Tech dashboard. It's deceptively simple, so let's just take a quick look. Here we can see the psychological safety components: courage, curiosity, engagement, flexibility, openness and resiliency. And as you can see, this is actually being compared to the last action which has been set. So we can see, for instance, in curiosity, our team are happy, but the score has still gone down. Engagement, neutral, but the score's down. And openness is very low, and the score has dropped down since the last action has been set too. So this team is not doing very well. In the central panel, we have behaviour alerts, and these are shown when the team has shown their fearing to speak up. So if they're fearing to be incompetent, ignorant, negative or intrusive. And okay, let me state that it's not shown who these people are, who has answered which questions. It's all aggregations and anonymous. We can see below this the remote working score, a scale of 0 to 100 to show how happy the team are with working remotely. And next to that we have the Aristotle score, which is not shown for this team, as enterprise. This is for organisation features only. And on the far right hand side we can see the team engagement. You can see my team here. We have Alice, Bob, Charlie and Dave, and we can see how many questions they have answered since the last action. If I come over to here and edit my profile, we can see that we can set an avatar, first name, last name. Now, I can go in and answer a few questions, and as you'll see, I've presently answered 11 questions. So these questions are all relatively simple. They do need reading, so we are not afraid to be silly with each other. We can do that. The team is progressing on schedule. Yes, we are. And once in a while you'll see these pop-ups come up, just giving you a few little facts and information about generally psychological safety. If you don't want to see those, we've got a button here of do not show me these in future. I'll close that. I've had to bite my lip a lot lately. I haven't, because we're all good in our team. I'm afraid my teammates will notice something that I don't, if I don't know something. Oh yes, I'm scared of that. If you don't wish to answer a question, you can skip it. And if you're really nervous about answering a particular question, you can even turn on anonymous mode here. Some of our interaction in the team feels forced now. Yes, it does. The team has inside jokes, and on it goes. We need roughly 20 questions answered from each person to get a good statistical analysis of where the team is at. So if I come back to the dashboard, we can now see that my score is, I've now answered 17 questions and I've had an impact here on the remote working score. So what can we do with this now? Well, you need to set some time aside, and what we'll do is we'll go to set new action. And we can see the results here of the previous actions, which, as this is a demo, is only done this morning. But now the point is, we can see that we are low on openness. So I would suggest we do an openness play. So if we open this up, we can see what sorts of plays we have in here. Let's just say, let's pick, for instance, the humour workshop mini. And as you can see, The instructions are very explicit in to do here. We always start with the why and how this is going to help your team. How long it should approximately take. Obviously, that will depend on your team size. When to use it and what you'll need to do this. Some of the plays do require some pre-work in terms of getting different links or getting different jokes together. So in this step, each team member comes with a link or an image from jokes, memes, online videos, or comedy shows, etc. And then the facilitator prepares a virtual board so everyone can post their images and links on it. Now, it's recommended that the facilitator is rotated around the team. Each team member should take turns in being the facilitator. We've found that helps the teams gel a lot more. And then finally, at the bottom here, we have a few more related resources. So external articles and or videos which have been done before. So if we wish to, for instance, do courage, we've got a lot of actions here. On the resources tab, lots of different videos for different things, talking about different angles and attributes around psychological safety. Now, what we'll do is we'll set our new action, and we will then say, we'll come back to playbook, let's pick our humour workshop, and we'll set that as our next action. Now, this means that we've done that action, and what we should do next is start measuring, and this will zero out all the scores. We have a nice big warning box here, and we would continue. That zeroes the scores out, and in our next meetings we can answer more questions or make it a 5-minute ritual. Every morning answer a few questions, and then we'll be able to see the results of those in the next session. Okay, so thank you very much.